Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use gesture navigation in Samsung Galaxy S24. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on display. Now in display, scroll down and here you will see a navigation bar option, so click on this option. And to use gesture navigation, select swipe gestures. Now after selecting, your navigation bar will disappear. Now you can use the gestures navigations. So that's how you can use gesture navigations in Samsung Galaxy S24. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.